A drone operated by the Major Bird Brigade successfully destroyed a Russian Grad multiple rocket launcher in the Donetsk region. Robert Magyarbrand, commander of the Unmanned Systems Force, shared footage of the attack. The video captures a Ukrainian FPV drone stealthily approaching an enemy artillery unit, which was deployed and ready to fire. Moments after impact, a powerful explosion occurred as all the rocket tubes containing guided missiles exploded simultaneously, demonstrating the precision and effectiveness of the attack. A Ukrainian reconnaissance drone captured these shots, likely helping the defenders adjust their actions and monitor the target. If a Russian crew was inside the launcher at the time of the FPV drone's attack, they were instantly destroyed. Open-source intelligence analyst Ed Muklesson of the social network X identified, based on the released video footage, that the Russian Grad multiple rocket launcher was destroyed near the settlement of Andriivka in the Donetsk region. An attack drone from the 413th Raid Separate Unmanned Systems Battalion successfully targeted a Russian Buk-M1 surface-to-air missile system. The 15th Brigade's press service shared footage of the attack on the X platform. The Russian surface-to-air missile system was destroyed while withdrawing from combat duty and attempting to move to a concealed position. The operation was carried out in coordination with the 15th Artillery Reconnaissance Brigade Black Forest. The drone's precise strike on the Buk system ignited a fire on the combat vehicle. The fire spread quickly, and subsequent footage showed the vehicle's complete destruction. As of today, the Ukrainian Defense Forces have managed to destroy or disable approximately 52 self-propelled launchers, including 41-9 A310 M12 self-propelled fire units and 11-9 A39 M12 transporter erector launchers. Ukrainian forces have also successfully neutralized 13-9 S-36 low-altitude target acquisition radars, 8 belonging to the Buk-M2 system, and 5 to the more advanced Buk-M3. Militarny previously reported that a drone operated by Ukraine's security service had struck a 9 S-36 radar, an integral component of the Buk-M2 surface-to-air missile system.